Third position is already occupied by 39. So that's why third collision is occurred. So for this, what is the key value? 3. So 3 plus constant value 4. 3 plus 4 modulo division of 11. 7 modulo division of 11, which is equivalent to 7. So here have to clearly observe one thing. K value is less than n value. In such cases, modulo division operation returns result as K value, right? So 7 modulo division of 11, 7. 9 modulo division of 11, 9. 6 modulo division of 11, 6. 5 modulo division of 11, 5, right? So once hash table size is greater than K value, modulo division operator returns result as K value, right? So here 7. So 7th position is a vacant position. So that's why 50th element is inserted at which position? 7th position. 50. Right? Then we are taking next key value. What is the next key value? H of 61. 61 modulo division of 11. 6. So 6th position is not vacant position. First collision is occurred for 61. Right. Then apply random probing. What is the formula? 61 plus constant 4 modulo division of 11, which is equivalent to 61 plus 4, 65 modulo division of 11. So 11 5 is 55, 10. So 10 is already occupied by 28. Second collision is occurred. Again we are applying quadratic probing result. So random probing result 10. 10 plus 4 modulo division of 11. 14 modulo division of 11. Right? So 14 modulo division of 11 means it returns 11 ones 11, 3. So third position is not vacant position. Third collision is occurred for 61. Right? Again we are applying random probing. What is the output for this operation? 3 plus 4 modulo division of 11, which is equivalent to 7 modulo division of 11. So this is the less value. So that's why this can be written as a result 7. So 7 is not vacant position. 50 is occupied by 7. So that's why fourth collision is occurred. Again we are applying random probing. So what is the output for this operation? 7. 7 plus 4 modulo division of 11. So 11 modulo division of 11. So what is the result? 0. So 0th position is vacant position. So that's why we are inserting 61 at which position? 0th position. 61. So this is the random probing mechanism. Once the collision is occurred, random probing uses the h of k is equal to k plus c modulo division of n. So here c is nothing but constant value. C is nothing but constant value. What is the next technique for implementing closed hashing? Rehashing or double hashing? Rehashing or double hashing? So here I am taking fourth technique, rehashing or double hashing. So what is the general formula for performing rehashing? H of k is equal to k modulo division of n. So once the collision is occurred, rehashing uses the two formulas. First formula is h of k is equal to k modulo division of n plus 1. Second formula is h of k is equal to k modulo division of n minus c plus I. Right? So by using these two formulas, we can avoid the collisions in hash tables. So these are the two formulas for rehashing or double hashing. So once you can apply this formula, collision is not occurred, then the process is stopped. Once we can apply this formula, collision is occurred, then we are working with second formula. So I value starts from 1, 2, 3 up to n values, right? So here I am taking the same example for the implementation of rehashing or double hashing mechanism, right? So here how to insert these elements using rehashing or double hashing mechanism. What is the size of the hash table? 11, right? So here I am writing hash table. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So here, what is the first inserted key value? H of 17. 17 modulo division of 11, which is equivalent to 6. So sixth position is vacant position, no collision. So that's why directly inserted at sixth position. Fine. Then H of 28. 28 modulo division of 11. So result is 6. So sixth position is already occupied by 17. First collision is occurred. Then we are applying double hashing formulas. What is the formula? K plus n. What is K value? 28 modulo division of 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, which is equivalent to 7. So seventh position is vacant position, no collision is occurred. So that's why directly added to the hash table at seventh position. 28. Right? So what is the next key value? H of 39. So 39 modulo division of 11. So 6. First collision is occurred. Why? Because 17th is placed at 6th position. So that's why we are applying double hashing mechanism. First formula, that is K value 39 modulo division of 11 plus 1. 6 plus 1, which is equivalent to 7. So 7 is already occupied by 21. Second collision is occurred. So that's why we are using second formula, right? What is the second formula? 39 modulo division of n minus c. What is n value? 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. C is nothing but constant value. I am taking constant value is 4 plus I value starts from 1 right now. So here 39 modulo division of 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 means 7, right? So 7 so n minus c, so 7 plus 1, right? So 39 modulo division of 7 5 is 35, 4 plus 1, which is equivalent to 5. So fifth position is vacant position, no collision is occurred. So that's why directly we are adding 39 at fifth position of the hash table. So 39, right? What is the next inserted key element? H of 50 modulo division of 11, which is equivalent to 6. First collision is occurred, already occupied by 17. Apply double hashing first formula, that is 50 modulo division of 11 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is already occupied by 28. Second collision is occurred. Right? Apply second formula. 50 modulo division of, what is the n value? N is nothing but size of the hash table. 11 minus n c 4. plus 1. So 50 modulo division of 7 plus 1. So 50 modulo division of 7. 7 sevens 49. 1 plus 1, which is equivalent to second 2. So at second position we are not placing any element, so that's why collision is not occurred. Directly 50th element is placed at second place of the hash table. So here 50. Then we are performing insertion of h of 61. H of 61. So initially 61 modulo division of 11. 6 already occupied by element, first collision is occurred. Apply first formula for double hashing. Of double hashing, 61 modulo division of 11 plus 1. 6 plus 1, which is equivalent to 7, already occupied by 28, second collision is occurred. Then we are apply second formula, right? What is the second formula? 61 modulo division of 11 minus 4 plus I value starts from 1. So 61 modulo division of 7 plus 1, right? So 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 56, 4, 5 plus 1, which is equivalent to 6. Again sixth position is already occupied by 17, so collision is occurred. This is third collision. Again we are implementing the second formula, I value taken as 2, right? So here I am taking I value is 2. 61 modulo division of 11 minus 4 plus 2, or 61 modulo division of 7 plus 2. This is 5. 7 6 are 52, 7 sevens are 49, so 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So already occupied by 28, collision is occurred, fourth collision is occurred. Again we are applying the second formula, I is equal to 3, right? So here 61 modulo division of 11 minus 4 plus 3. 61 modulo division of 7 plus 3. So 61 modulo division of 7 means 5 plus 3, which is equivalent to 8. So 8th position is vacant position, no collision is occurred. So that's why directly 61 is added to the 8th position of the hash table. Now hash table becomes like this, right? So this is about double hashing or rehashing mechanism. So here we are using two formulas. Once collision is occurred at first formula, again we are apply second formula repetitively. I value starts from 1 to n values, right? So this is about collision resolution techniques, right? So if you have any doubts regarding this session, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.